Can't even draw a stick figure? Perfect! Because in 2025 your artistic skills don't matter, your prompt game does. With Midjourney you can turn a sentence like "cat in a business suit eating sushi in space" into actual digital art. And if that doesn't scream money, I don't know what does. Midjourney is your AI-powered art slave, assistant, that lives inside Discord. You type some magic words and it spits out jaw-dropping images faster than your printer jams. No Photoshop, no drawing tablet, no emotional breakdowns. Alright, let's talk money, because that's why you're here, not to admire your AI banana dragon in 4K. Here's how to make it rain with pixels. Make weird but awesome art with Midjourney. Put it on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, even underpants, I don't judge. Upload it to Redbubble, Etsy, or whatever platform your cousin used to sell astrology candles. They handle the shipping, you handle the profit. Zero inventory, maximum laziness. Businesses are starving for scroll-stopping content. You've got Midjourney and sarcasm. Create image bundles, quotes, backgrounds, weird memes, whatever. Then sell them to coaches, content creators, or anyone too lazy to design their own stuff. Feeling fancy? Take commissions. Hop on Fiverr or Upwork, slap AI Design Wizard on your profile. Let clients tell you their wildest dreams. You prompt Midjourney, polish it a bit, and boom. Money for art you didn't even draw. Michelangelo is crying in a cave somewhere. Wallpapers, coloring books, ebook covers, bundle that AI goodness and sell it on Gumroad, Payhip, or your own site. Just don't accidentally generate a horror image for a kid's book, alright? In 2025, you don't need a paintbrush. You need a good prompt, a Discord account, and a little bit of hustle. Midjourney does the drawing, you do the selling. It's like cheating, but legal and kind of beautiful. Smash that like button like you just sold your first AI artwork. Subscribe for more faceless, money-making magic, and comment below. If you could make any weird image with Midjourney, what would it be? Me? An angry llama in a tuxedo eating pancakes on the moon? Don't judge. See you in the next one.